Yeah. No.
Much
Order,
obliged.
give the court master the order.
Lord 51, Lord.
Staff selection committee.
Lord, in 2018, Lordship appointed.
Petition is the
Lord, Justice G.S. Singhvi's report was there, my Lord. I'll just pass on the order. In 2018, when there was a lot of problem, Lord, Lordships appointed Justice G.S. Singhvi to give a full report. I'll just pass on the order. Full recommendations were made. Lordship directed in 2020 it should be implemented. Lord, ever since then, 2 exams have happened till now. The 3rd exam is coming with 30 lakh candidates. Lord, admit cards are not given on time.
what does Singhi say?
Lord, that report is not made public to us, but the directions of the court were that you look into the past events, direct future, unless Lordships.
What do you want?
Lord, what we only want is, Lord, unless Lordships do not look into it, Lord, the 1:2000 is the recruitment that happens. We are all graduates, metrics, and higher secondary. And only one order by Lordships to say that please streamline the process, my Lord. Otherwise, for us, we have no other opportunity left, my Lord, and only we can come to Lordships because it was just
This under who?
my Lord, this comes under the department, DOPT, my Lord.
No, staff selection committee.
Under DOPT, my Lord.
There is no personal. No person. DOPT hoga.
Lord, all that
There is
Lordship
no-
only see is that whether,
appointment. No.
Lord,
This is private recruitment.
Recruitment is.
Lord, recently they did 60,000 re-exam. 60,000 students re-exam. Now, Lord, I have already dates fixed for other exams. They do re-exam. There are glitches to the next level. They put centers where our clothes are hanging. There is no security about how the students are giving examinations. Lord, this is right, Lord, UP. Sorry.
The issue notice.
Can I request for returnable ticket?
It's all right. The notification. Notice.
Great.
Your Lordships, the auction sale is scheduled for the 6th of September. The judge